Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be working with Lvnatu hair. They sent me 40 pieces of 14-inch kinky straight, 100% human hair. Depending on your head size and how much hair you want added, 40 pieces is the minimum I will use for an install, but preferably 60 to 80 pieces is ideal for a full head. Fresh out the box, the hair had no weird smell. It was soft and thick from beginning to end, so no complaints there. They also sent me a tape-ins extensions toolkit, which I will be using throughout the install. The kit included 2 hair grippers, replacement tapes, a hair comb, and the pliers itself, plus six hair clips, and the tool kit zip bag. Before I installed the tape-ins, I colored the hair a dark chocolate brown off camera so that it would match my client's hair, which in today's video, my client is my mom. So you're going to see me blow dry, flat iron, and do a very little trim to the ends of the tapes prior to starting the install. And I must say, the hair flat ironed pretty well. I only had to pass through the hair like twice at the most. And baby, this color came out perfectly. It matched my mom's hair perfectly, so love that for her. Because the goal of this install was to add more fullness and volume to her hair. The length wasn't that important. The hair was only a couple inches longer than her natural hair, but that was perfectly fine because she wanted a natural look anyway. So yeah, just keep watching. I'm gonna finish my review of the hair towards the end of the video, and I'll also talk about the versatility of these tape-ins, so stay tuned. Also, I already washed my mom's hair off camera, so even though that part isn't in the video, don't forget to thoroughly wash your hair or your client's hair before doing the tape-in install, because it will help the tapes last longer. And regardless, don't nobody want a fresh install that can last 6 to 8 weeks on dirty hair. And some of y'all might be wondering why me and my mom are both wearing a mask, but basically neither one of us really felt like showing our face in the video. I had a big pimple on my cheek, and my mom was camera shy, so yeah, don't mind us. We just wasn't trying to show our face for real. But anyways, keep watching. I'll come back in a bit. because this hair is giving, and my mom loved the final results. As you can see, she can do ponytails, a side part, a half up, half down, a middle part. Even though she's not wearing it in the middle part or the half up, half down, the options are still there. And her hair just looks so much fuller, and the tapes were very strong and durable. Like, these tapes aren't going anywhere until she is ready to have them removed. And as you can see, the hair can be colored, flat ironed, curled, all that. So I did comb the curls out a lot because the hair was already short, so I wasn't trying to keep a tight curl in the hair. I just wanted to add a little, razzle dazzle to the install and have the ends curled some, and it looks so good. So overall, the hair did what it needed to do. I definitely recommend purchasing from them because the hair is very affordable. I will have a link in my description box where you can shop the hair and see for yourself how affordable these tapes are. And if you order some, you can see in real life just how pretty and soft the hair is. So go ahead and hit the link and also use the code for money off and get you some Lvnatu hair. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment what other content y'all want me to do because I'm here to deliver. Okay? Peace and blessings.